Hello friends, today we will discuss about creating the foreign key in phpMyAdmin with MySQL database. So now start our phpMyAdmin and how to create a foreign key in step by step. So in our phpMyAdmin, okay. First of all, we need to create database. For example, my database name is MyDB and click on create. Our database is ready, MyDB. And first thing that is, I recommended that phpMyAdmin have latest version, so you give the proper result of foreign key. If you have older version, then please update your version. Okay. We create MyDB database. So now in that database we create the first table, which is author, which have two fields, and then click on go. In that two fields, first is ID, second is name. First is ID and second is name. The data type of ID is integer, so I can't change, and second data type is varchar. The length have 5, here 15. After that, here index, the ID must have primary key, so you need to create an index of primary key and just click on to the go. So here the ID have primary key, and the most important part is here storage engine. The storage engine must be InnerDB. In some MySQL it have MySam, but here InnerDB, which is helpful to enable the option of relation view. So you must click on the InnerDB, click on to the save, and our table is created, ID and name. Here is a primary key. Create another new table, click on the new. The name is books, which have 3 field. Click on to the go. In that 3 field, first create the ID, which is book ID. Second is author ID, which is a foreign key of author table. Third one is book name. Okay. Here integer is same, book name have varchar data types, and size have same 5 and 25. Here the ID have only primary key, but author ID doesn't have any index key, so ID have primary key. Click on to the go. After that, click here again, storage engine is InnerDB, and click on to the save. Okay. In this database, MyDB have 2 tables, author and books. The author is a parent table and book is a child table. So we need a foreign key into the child table. So click on to the books structure and click on relation view, so that if you don't have a relation view, then your InnerDB is not selected, means storage area is must be a InnerDB. Click on to the relation view. Okay. In that view, click on the column which you have to the foreign key, which is author ID. Select database. Our database is same, MyDB. It's our database. And select your table, which is author. It's your parent table, because foreign key always in child table. Here is your parent table, author. Here one most important thing is on delete cascade. on update cascade, which is most important. Because of that, if you delete your parent table record, and all the related child table record automatically deleted, and if you update your parent table record, and all the child table record related to the parent table is automatically updated. So it is must needed. If you have form, then you have update and delete option on parent table, then child table automatically update and delete. Here choose your column name, display book name. Whenever click onto the 1 number 2 number, then it will display the book name. Okay, click onto the save. Here your query is ready. Alter table books, add foreign key, author ID references, author of ID, on delete cascade, on delete update. Okay, now I just want to the author and click on to the insert some data. Here data is ID1 name, again ID2 name, and click on to the go. Okay, again insert ID3 name, ID4 name, and here go. So we have 4 data in our parent table, ID 1 2 3 4, and here it's a name. After that, click onto the book table and also add some record. Insert, select one. Here it's your foreign key. In that author ID, you must select the author ID which have a parent table. For example, author name is a 1 Bhavesh. After that, book name is a C, and again 2 numbers, author name second, and select PHP. Click on to the go. Again add some record. Insert 3. Here data structure, here 4, here also 4, Manish, and here operating system, and go. So view our data in child table which have 4 records, and just move the cursor into the author ID 1. It display the name of author tables. Here if you want to click on that second number, it will display the record of parent table. Here your primary key and foreign key is definitely work. So now I just want to update our parent table record and automatically update our child record. For example, author Manish have 4 number, and I would like to edit 4 number to 10. Okay, now go. So update is possible, but now just I want to go into the book table which is child table. It have 10. Look at this, here is a 10. Again in author table, if I would like to delete the 10 ID of 10, then automatically delete the related record. Click on the books, and here deleted our record. So it is possible to insert a foreign key with primary key, and you have also one form which is a delete some record from the author. It will be automatically delete the author from the book table also. So insertion and updation and deletion are possible into the parent table as well as client table. This is a demo of MySQL PHP with foreign key. Thank you very much, and also if you have some knowledge, and like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.